Now, let's look at the double rotations. Yeah. Because the single rotations cannot cover all the cases. There are several cases relatively hard, so we need to use double rotations. All right. Look at our first double rotation, LR rotation. Now we work on this type, this pattern, this structure. Okay, so the violation is here. All right, but with this structure, our single rotation won't work, so we need double rotation. All right, so we will do two steps. The double rotation, we will do two steps. L1 R second. All right. Then, after the double rotation on this, we will get this case. You may ask, how do we get this change? How do we naturally get that change? We will see in next slide. Yeah, because we will do many steps to see that. Yeah, we will separate into two different steps. Here, just let you know, the goal is that. All right. RL rotation, this pattern, yeah, violation here, and we do RL rotation to get this result, balanced result. Yeah. But how to get that? Yeah. So let me use next two slides to explain the change. All right. LR rotation first. Yeah. For this case, I want to discuss the general case, yeah, not special case. So we put in all the possible subtrees. Yeah, this is the general, most general case. Okay. So in that situation, now, first, let's do the first step, R rotation first. R, then L, then R. So L first. First L rotation, although the violation occurs at node 3, but when we do R rotation, we apply it on the middle one, not on the, bad one, bad node directly. The second time we will apply on the bad one. The first time we apply on the middle one. Okay, so we do this. L left rotation with respect to node 1. Yeah. So what do we get? We will get this. After left rotation, we get that change. Okay, so that's the first time. It's not enough. The bad one's still there, but this part changes. That's good. This part changes. You can see it matches our R pattern. After this change, it matches our pattern, right? So we just apply our R pattern on node 3. We can make it. Yeah. So this time, R rotation with respect to the bad node 3, we bring it down so we get this structure. Now it's perfect. Okay, so we recover it. So you can see in these two steps, we can, recover the structure. How about that? Okay, yeah. Pattern for the LR rotation. In order to apply it in later, when we use it in the real BST trees, we want to extract the pattern for this case. So the pattern we describe in this way. Okay, A, B, C like this. Okay, yeah, with balance factor like that. So it's the LR pattern. Then we will do two steps to change to make it balanced. The step 1, we do L rotation to get this part right. Okay. Then R rotation to get this part. Okay, yeah. So this V means a valid value. Valid value means one of the 0, 1, -1. Okay, yeah. Just any one valid value is okay. Yeah. All right. This is LR rotation. Next, a double rotation for the RL type. R rotation first, L rotation next. Yeah. So idea, very similar. Okay. When we start, we have the pattern like this. Okay. Violation node, but we do not apply our first rotation on the violation node directly. We apply on the middle node. That's our first one. R rotation with respect to node 3, we get this. Okay, yeah. R rotation with respect to 3, yeah, we get this structure. Second time, the L rotation with respect to node 1, so L1. Then we get a balanced structure. Yeah. So you can see with these 4 different types rotations, 2 single rotations, 2 double rotations, it's enough. So we can recover, we can fix. When we store dynamic data in a AVL tree, every time when we detect there is a violation, we can fix it. Yeah. All right. Let me still give you the pattern. Yeah. For the pattern part, we describe it as this pattern. Okay, we describe. Then the first time, R rotation with respect to the middle one, R, so we get that. Second time, L rotation with respect to the bad one, so we get this final structure. Yeah. All right, so that's the, yeah, actually, yeah, just a minute. This is part 5, yeah. Actually, I have another one, yeah, because after we learned these rotations, which we should have a simple example to show us, you know. Yeah, so let me check. Yeah, if I have 8.6, yeah, one example, one AVL, concrete example. So how do we build a concrete AVL example? Yeah, we need that. After we define the rotations, we need to see a concrete example. All right.